Hello everyone, my name is Remy and we're going to talk today about edge computing. So first of all, what is edge computing? Well, that's an IT architecture, just like cloud computing, but where the cloud is relying on a few big data centers remotely located. Edge computing actually places a small amount of IT capabilities as closely as possible from the users and the location where the data is generated and consumed. Today, we see many examples of applications that require edge computing deployments. Together, we will run through a few examples. In offices, for example, network connectivity has become essential to business continuity. Applications such as voice over IP, CRM, Windows updates, antivirus, all of those applications do require to deploy on-premises small amount of compute, storage, and network so the users can make the most of those applications. In retail, we see more and more self-service devices being deployed in restaurants and supermarkets. In fast food chains, we see more and more self-service kiosks where the customers can self-order what he wants to eat. In supermarkets, you have now self-check-in kiosks where the customer basically scans his products and then pay them. Soon enough, with the use of RFID, the customer will not even have to scan his products, but he will simply proceed through gates who will scan for him what is in his bag, and the transaction will happen subsequently. All of those applications obviously require a small but certain amount of IT, processing, networking, and storage to be located on premises at the supermarket or the restaurants. And all of those new applications are actually going to revolutionize supply chain. Bank branches see new applications coming. Smart ATM and video conference features will increasingly replace the tellers as we know them. In healthcare, data about the patients is becoming increasingly digitized. Smart beds applications with sensors and also operating theater with live stream of videos are also starting to emerge, and all of those applications obviously require edge computing deployments. Governments are not left aside. At airports, we see, for example, more and more e-customs gates where travelers can self-proceed through the customs. Here in Dubai has opened the first unmanned police station, which is open 24/7 and provides numerous services ranging from the issuance of your driving license to citizens being able to pay their tax or fines. Factories are getting smarter in the sense that they collect more and more data from the factory floor to analyze it real time and therefore become more efficient. Last but not least, telco providers are increasingly deploying IT capabilities next to their cell towers, and this is going to be more and more the case with the advent of the 5G. SmartBunker by Schneider by APC Electric is the right solution for your edge computing deployment. This single rack solution relies on one rack, one PDU, one smart UPS, and some environmental monitoring features. Additionally, cooling can be added, whether it's fan cooling or active cooling with DX. Last but not least, StructureWare, our in-house DCIM solution, enables you to track real-time on one single dashboard all of your sites deployed across a given region or a country. Now, I've got a great news for our partners. Local Edge Configurator has just been released and it's a fantastic designer tool. Why? Because it enables you to put in one same design the APC equipment, but also your third-party server and networking gears. Once you're done, you can seamlessly generate and export a bill of material report and a rack elevation summary, which you can send to your customer, as well as an ISX quote number, which you can then forward to your distributor, thus making it very easy to place an order. The Local Edge Configurator designer tool is accessible from the design portal page online to our select, premier, and elite partners. If you are a registered partner, simply take the online training, which will take you 1 hour, and you will become certified as a select partner. So, in a nutshell, edge computing is about small solution design and a lot of opportunities. We've shared with you online on iMarket template designs, marketing brochures per verticals, and content on the offer, so you can take all of this and go talk to your customers today. Finally, watch out for our oncoming webinars and Local Edge Configurator promotions. Thank you very much for listening and see you soon.